I am going to harvest a potato today. See, look at the potatoes. Oh wow, oh, beautiful potatoes. I have organic potatoes. So I'll take this all out and dig. Oh, I'll get more. Just let me take all of these out and keep it right here. This time it is little early. Last time I harvested in fall. This time I planted early. Yeah, this is a baby potato. Potato. There are lots. Quite a few, quite a few. I have a lot of potatoes here. Potatoes. Super green. This is a baby potato. So one thing is, you will see n number of potatoes. So many potatoes underneath. Last time we had a lot of potatoes and sweet potatoes. We see here. This one. Yeah. The big one. Beautiful one. Ara, look at our potatoes. Wow. Yeah, it is so nice. See all the potatoes. I'm very happy with the yield. Let me take a look. Last time I just oh, yes, I see a lot of worms here. Obviously, if it is organic, we see more worms. Last time I completely put the container upside down, and that was easy for me to dig. This time, since I have some more time to plant another vegetable, I'm going to not um, turn it upside down. Just going to take it up like that, and I'm planning to go with carrot this time. Let's see how it turns out to be. I think we're good with that. We have some more. That's nice. I think I have taken it out all. Maybe one or two I will have it underneath, but that will grow as a plant. I continue to have it in the summer. Thank you. Bye.